my butter. Okay. This thing is gonna kill me, you know? Yeah. Look, I. No, I'll wear her.
So your head's too big. We out here, 2021, the 4th edition of our gift opening. As you can tell, it is Christmas time based off of that tree over there. So with that being said, yeah, round 4. Jordan, Josh, Mother, we're all here. Tommy already had his fun, it's our turn. All right. What the f, this music sucks.
Hey, don't flip your water over. I'm watching you.
No, check the footwork. Check the footwork. Let's continue. As you can tell here, this is by far the tallest tree that we've ever had. Not to say that it is the same tree, but it has gotten extensions over the years. A 9-foot behemoth of a tree. This theme has been inspired by how cold it's been the past few days. All right, blue, right? Blue tint, a little bit of the white just to represent the snow because it is a white Christmas this year. Look around the house. Blue. Everything is blue.
Everything.
Everything.
Everything is blue.
That red and green right there, blue.
It makes blue.
Blue.
If I step on this, what color is it? Oh, shit. No, wait, hold on. There's no battery. It's blue. Look at my mom. Beautiful.
All of it blue.
Candies, they're blue.
Candies, blue. As you can tell, we ran out because I ate all of it.
Yeah, me too. Everything's blue.
Did you? The green one.
See that blue thing on the bike?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Blue.
Blue.
100% guaranteed. See these socks right here?
They
Blue.
are blue.
Come on, man. See this ass right here? Blue. Also, check this out. Nice little feature here. Okay?
It's blue.
Usually it'd be Stacy's portrait, her Bob Ross portraits, but we threw them shits away because they were whack.
Yeah, Stacy.
Yeah. So all we got here is this shitty ass snowman right here.
Yeah, but it looks better than that painting.
We got ourselves some wine.
Yeah, that's
All right.
mine. Don't touch it.
Should I try and drink it?
No.
So whoever is giving giving out gifts will wear this one.
All right.
Who is Santa Claus this year? Will it be
But
contestant number 1, Mom,
Santa Claus
number
is
2?
wearing a robe.
Hey.
I'm not wearing anything.
Oh, nice! See, despite the weather, you guys, my brother will always be out in his underwear no matter what. That's consistency right there.
That's
Consistency
right.
is always the key to success. Now we got ourselves Santa Claus, everybody.
Shout out to all my ho-ho-hos.
Yeah, shout out to all 3 of them. Okay, Santa, what do we got going on this year?
We got boxes.
Okay.
And empty bags.
I can't even see through this thing. I'm Santa Claus.
Yeah, he is Santa Claus, confirmed.
Okay, here you go.
Nobody has chimneys in their houses anymore.
Hey,
Oh
Santa
man, we have a Merry Christmas for Joshua.
Oh, that's me! Hey, Bob, record me! Come on, let me get some of this. Thanks, Santa Claus.
Ho ho ho.
Alright, here we go. Alright, this is the same wrapping paper from last year. See,
And there's enough left for next year.
oh, nice, very nice. So we got kombucha. We got kombucha, guys. Oh, very nice. Oh, why is it so light? I feel like it might not be. What do we have? Ooh.
What's in there?
God, this year.
Santa has gotten me a Calvin Klein hat.
Wow,
With my Calvin
Santa
Klein
Oh
box.
yeah.
I'm wearing my Calvin Klein today.
Oh, it's a Calvin Klein Christmas.
They're matching.
Alright. Okay.
You know, something happened, huh?
We got ourselves a Merry Christmas to Jordan.
I gotta preserve the paper as much as I can so I can use it next year. Oh yeah. Oh,
No, we have lots. It's okay.
no! I have a feeling that you
It might be the same.
Oh man. Whoa!
Oh no!
Well, it's black. It's not brown.
And it matches your brief.
It matches Josh's brief and mine.
Hey.
Oh man, see, check it out, guys. You can see the Calvin Klein if I wear it like this.
Thank you for keeping our junk warm. Very nice.
I
Okay,
wanna
hurry
have
up. There's no more bateria.
No, you got Santa Claus with the Calvin Klein hat.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Josh.
Oh, what? Oh, with the same wrapping paper on Merry Christmas. Oh.
Good job, sir.
Can you see?
Here we go again. I feel like this might be a box of tissues just based off of the diameters of this
Yeah.
and the length. You guys ready for this? we got a pair of 5-pack boxers here. Very nice. Are they Calvin Klein as well?
I think that might actually.
Oh, they're Eddie Bauer. Okay, shout out to Eddie Bauer. All right, should I try them all on at the same time?
Yeah, all 5 of them.
Who is it for?
Oh, Merry Christmas, Mama.
Oh!
There who rocked it.
I wonder who
Yeah, Santa, Mom.
wrapped
Santa
it
wrote
for
it.
herself. Oh, she wrapped. Okay. Well, due to shoulder issues, we will continue to help her out.
Oh man, that's for that over there. I mean, sorry, I took my
I
battery.
have to rub something for myself. And whoa! Whoa!
Yo.
Okay, you said your code. Now I'm not cold.
Put it on.
You can return the box. You can return the box to the owner.
There you
All
go.
right.
So
That's
this is
for
gonna
both of you.
Oh, for Josh and Jordan. Jordan, come on in. We'll find
But
out.
look who it's from.
The birds! Oh,
The
shit.
birds.
It's from the birds!
How come you didn't give me anything, birds?
They give you a hard time.
Yeah.
More underwear?
Oh, they're bees.
Oh, that's a good one.
Thank you, birds.
Yeah.
They can share, right, birds?
Yeah.
It's a packet. How do they buy things?
Yeah. How do they have money?
They have more money than I do.
Oh,
They don't know how to open it.
I will turn this around and you get to choose
Yeah.
which color. There it is. Here it is. Here it is. He gets the gray.
The gray and you get
Very nice.
the black.
Okay, well.
Oh, cool. It has a little layer on,
Oh, yeah.
a little
yeah.
line on the inside.
Yeah, it does keep it
Oh.
warm, yeah. See, now I'm gonna have more dandruff. That was great.
Thanks, birds.
What's it
This one says Tida Fool Ori from Anjai.
What?
It's for me.
From the Anji.
Ta-da! Thank you, Angie. Ta-da!
Oh, that's cool.
Cookie. Oh.
Oh, you put the cookie in the bottom and then the top is your...
Oh.
Oh, I see.
Wow.
Ah.
That's really cool.
That's where I put my cookie.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
But I think my mom would eat more than one. Okay.
Well, I just keep putting some more.
There, yeah. Oh, yeah,
I
that's
eat
right.
it, put another one.
There you
Thank
go.
you, Angie. Thank you
Amazing.
so much.
Awesome.
This is really cute.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not as cute as my brother. Who's it from?
Dominique.
Dominic.
All right.
Thank you, Dominic. What? I gave her like this. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh,
Whoa. Nice.
it's so RRT, Mother RRT.
Wow.
It's really, really nice. It's so cute. Love it. Thank you.
Nice.
Hold it here too.
Yeah, I can hold it there.
Nice. Oh, nice. You're gonna hurt somebody with that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Wait. Let me see.
Oh.
Maybe there's
Oh
money
crap.
inside.
Oh. Come on, Dom. Don't let us down, man.
Yeah, don't let me down.
What is...
Ta-da!
Oh, let's go!
What's this one? It's so funny.
It's a tag.
Okay, to Flory Ramirez.
You don't know my name.
It's an Amazon gift card. That's not even a gift. That's just a prize.
It's Amazon. Amazon.
Go.
$100. Wow.
Amazon.
And it's on my name.
Oh, wow.
But my fake earrings fell.
It's okay. Well, we could use that to buy a $100 gift card.
Probably some chocolates.
Thank you, Tommy.
Yeah, thanks, Tommy. Oh, sorry, I'm Tom.
And
Wow.
Wow. Oh, there's purple stuff in there.
There's purple. There's no blue.
Don't touch it.
No.
Mom.
Our mother! Yeah!
Whoa,
Sorry,
crazy.
Josh's mother.
Oh, there's 2 tags. It's been double tagged.
You hold it. I'll open.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. I almost forgot it.
What do you mean you forgot? Hold on, wait a minute. Wait, this is from Santa.
She's friends with Santa.
Size?
Wow.
Yeah, Santa knows
It's
your
my-
size
Yeah,
perfectly.
of course. Santa,
Yeah,
thank
but where's
you.
the other shoe?
It's inside. It better be there.
I heard she went to Costco and got 2 different shoes. One left, one right.
No, 2 different sizes.
Oh my god.
Size
Well,
7
that's
and
okay,
size
good.
8.
Oh, nice.
Yay! Look at that. Come on, coldness.
There you go. Oh. Merry Christmas to Jordan.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh! Yo, I need more of these because I keep on losing them inside of my room for some reason.
Hey, man.
Santa knows what I want.
Oh, yes!
They're blue.
Oh, they're all blue? Oh, nice.
They are?
Everything is blue on me.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
What a great...
Now you can change the Calvin Klein.
Yeah, we've moved on from Calvin.
See you
Sorry,
next
Calvin.
year. Oh, Bro Angie. Bro Angie. Bro Angie. Bro Angie.
Nice.
OMG.
I
Yeah.
always feel this is like the worst part of like opening gifts is like it's satisfying but it hurts my feelings because like it takes a while to.
This guy's got feelings, man.
Yeah, I do have feelings, man.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, you know what?
Very
I was actually
nice.
looking at
Wrapping paper. Oh, Monopoly!
Oh.
it's Monopoly Cheaters Edition. I was actually looking at this in the store
Oh, that's a
recently.
different edition?
Yeah, it does.
See,
See, look,
yeah,
it has
see,
handcuffs,
handcuffs.
huh?
See, if you go to jail, you have to...
You have to wear the handcuff.
Yeah, if you're because you're bad, you're supposed to cheat in the game.
Yeah.
Cheaters edition.
Yeah, you're supposed to be a bad boy.
Exciting.
That one's for Angie.
That is for Magic.
Oh, this one's from Joshua.
All right.
Oh.
Awesome.
Oh yes, we got more minions.
It's a roller skating one.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, it's a roller skating one.
Meant to be, guys. Thanks for Stuart. Look at him. He's so cool. He's got the headgear.
And
got
he's
gloves.
wearing red.
I think he might be a little gay, but it's all good.
Hey, man, you are too. This one is for you.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah, both of them
All
actually.
right, sweet.
You got even more of them.
Oh, there's more.
Oh, it's Prince Vegeta.
Oh, that's cool. I like him. He's always angry. I like
Yeah,
him.
he's a very angry boy.
He's always angry. Thank you so much. That's awesome. You guys, I'm loaded. Oh, Kung Fu Kevin.
That's Kung Fu Kevin, man.
Kevin, man. Oh, see, he's extra one. Oh, that's so
Oh,
cute. Thing here. This is my third one, you
Yeah,
guys.
this is third minion.
Watch out, guys.
You do the same thing.
All right, Jordan. Yes, sir. Here you go. This is for you.
All right.
My friend.
Thanks, sir.
Wow. Let's see.
Pop this bad boy open and see what's inside.
Oh, it's
You
like
got,
shoes.
that's not Nike, that's Under Armour. Under Armour shit.
Yes, sir.
Why is it so tiny?
Shout out to Stacy.
Under Armour shit.
Ah.
Hey, don't we have that? It's the blue one.
It's a blue one, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's a.
Put it on, put it on.
Yeah, put it on because you don't have any pants on.
You have nothing.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna have blue pants on.
Yeah, look at him go. He's struggling. Look at
Okay,
him.
now you can remove your robe.
Nice. Yes, sir.
Now I'm.
Now
Parental guidance
now,
friendly.
yeah, now he's normal. Nice. Check out the view, guys.
Just empty that.
Look at that view. Right there. It's perfection.
This one is.
The wet.
So I think this one is from Steven for me.
All right, Steven. Thank you, Steven.
Thank
Steven
you.
got
Miss
me
you,
some-
Steven, man.
We were actually hanging out at on the same day as he got this, so
Oh, another beanie.
Oh, good.
it's a nice little hat.
Nice.
Nice little-
Well, good thing you didn't get the
The black one.
Oh, how about that one? That's yours, just
What?
that bag over there.
I think that pink one's Jordan.
No, that's mine.
Okay.
I mean, that's for my friends.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, friends?
Oh, I got friends.
It's crazy. 2021 has been a crazy year, guys.
We don't have friends.
Mom lives at home and she somehow made friends.
I know, right?
Amazing.
I bet it's the same thing.
Oh, that's amazing. Look what I got.
Oh wow.
Oh, it's a gray one.
It's gray.
We got a gray one.
Dang, we got all colors of the rainbow now.
Yep. so-
Yeah, how about
Nice.
they're short? Are they women's?
No.
Hey, maybe me and Mom can share.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I mean the red
How about
one's
you try it out? Try it out. Try it out. Let's try. Let's see if it
No,
fits.
just
Yeah.
Come on.
the red one is also getting a little bit small, but it's still
No,
comfy.
the red one is short because it's been washed.
Yeah, so it's
These are
gonna be
not
this.
washed. Oh, see, look at that name.
Mom, you try it.
No, look at the legs.
Oh, see, look at my legs. It's a little long.
Maybe there's money.
Okay, so we got something from Flea for
There's nothing.
for our mother. And you know what? It's funny. It's open.
It's already open.
Oh, what a surprise.
Yeah, somebody was impatient.
Wow, someone has been waiting. It's not like it's 12 o'clock right now.
Yeah.
Is there money in there? Like, Jaran!
Wow, look at that. Nothing. Please.
Wow, what a flex.
God.
Please give us something different.
This is from one of our teammates, Jeff. Okay, so shout out to him. He actually started out by bringing his son to the class, and then he's just like, you know what? I want to try it out too, and he fell in love with it just like his son did. So this is a wonderful card here. It's a penguin.
Oh, it's a penguin.
There you go.
Let's see, let's see. nice.
Cute little penguin, kind of looks like me. Well, if I was blind. Joshua, thank you for all of the great training sessions and the knowledge you've passed on to me. Looking forward to a great 2022 together. Jeff, that means a lot. Thank you.
Hoping it would focus.
I'm gonna keep this forever, man. Yeah. Good guy. Oh, well, this is also a Starbucks card. Wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm gonna start drinking coffee now.
Yeah, we're gonna be avid coffee drinkers,
All right, now
man.
we're gonna be heavy coffee drinkers.
Yeah.
I'll be there at the gym every day. Thank you very much, Jeff. You are the man.
Yeah.
I have no idea how much is in there, but you know, it's not about the amount; it's the thought that counts.
Exactly.
Okay, so last little gift. All right.
Oh wait, hang on.
start
I have one more for everybody.
Oh no, Jordan's
Right.
got something for us, Mom.
It's not in. It's not even wrapped up.
I'll get you to stand up, and then I will get you. Yeah, go ahead, stand up. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close. Oh, don't look. Don't look. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her go. Oh shit. So you could hold on to it. What is she doing? Okay, I'll get you to open your eyes on 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow.
So this is a Google
No.
Nest Hub. We've been using the regular small mini Google Homes. This has like a touchscreen and you could access YouTube and all that stuff. And I was thinking
Oh,
we could plug
really?
it like right next to the whatever over there, and you can just
While
like
you're cooking?
while you're cooking, you could look at stuff. Yeah.
Oh, I can watch raffy tulfo.
Now we're gonna burn the house down.
Yeah.
Let's take a good look at it.
It's like on sale. It was weird.
It's like a tablet.
It's like your home hub.
Did you hear that,
tablet.
guys? They said it's on sale. That's why they
sir.
bought it.
Before Mom opens it, let's close it out. Jordan, anything you'd like to say?
Merry Christmas.
Beautiful. Mom, close it out.
Merry, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Wow,
I
look
hope
at that.
everyone has a good Christmas and New Year.
Ooh.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that, guys.
Okay, well, that's gonna do it, you guys. 2021 has been a success. A lot of good things that happened this year. A lot of trash things happened throughout the community, but
Lots of trash.
it's been a little tough, but we're making it work. All right, thankfully, we've made it through, and hopefully 2022 will bring us better things.
Yeah.
And,
Don't be one of these.
Yeah, there you go. Don't be that. All right, let's be more.
that?
Let's be more merry, you guys. So a lot of love, you guys. All right, you wanna kiss the camera away?